Hey, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and that's a 55 Chev. Under the hood is a Stroker 383. Freshly built, Eagle rotating assembly, H-beam rods, all set up and ready to go, guys. And take a look at these bumper guards. Man, I'll tell you what, a lot of guys take a lot of time searching, and the grill guard just really makes the front of this car look sweet. That grill is looking beautiful, the emblems are all looking great, and that black paint as slick as can be. I'll tell you what, Body Man did a beautiful job. All you guys know, black cars, you better be a good body man and a good paint man, or you're gonna be able to see it in that black paint. And that is some black beauty on this thing. Got hockey sticks on it. All the stainless is looking good, just looking beautiful. Then of course the Cragars, the stance, just everything about this car just looking absolutely gorgeous. And then look at this interior. Stock appearing interior also, really sharp. You see the Lokar shifter over there? A lot of people might mistake that for a 4-speed, but that's hooked up to an automatic transmission. You can see all the upholstery looks like it's brand new. Back seat, front seat, headliner, dome lights working. We got seat belts in the back. We're all ready to go here. And check out that dash, man. All the chrome on the dash, all the stainless, the aluminum, everything looking sweet. And the car is equipped with air conditioning. You can see those air conditioning ducts underneath the dash there. Keep yourself nice and cool. You go out to get ice cream, you don't want that ice cream melting all over your beautiful interior. And then the white. The white is what sets it off. Now the quick test on these, whether you got a 56 or a 55, I always look for the gas door over here and the tail lights. You know, the tail lights on a 56 are a lot bigger. Then you actually put the fuel in on the tail light lens there on a 56. You can see the chrome on the back bumpers looking sweet. We got dual exhausts popping out. All the emblems back here again looking sweet. Then inside the trunk, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous in there. Anybody that spends that much time putting a paint job on the inside of the trunk, you know they did a beautiful job on the rest of the car. I always pull up the trunk mat too whenever you're looking at a car. Look at that floorboard. Brand new wiring there. Everything looking sweet. Now look down that passenger side. Look at the stance on this car. They got the bumper guards back here on the back bumper too. That's an extra. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. So that means we own this car, so you know we checked it out before we bought it. Yeah, the bottom side of it is just about as pretty as the top side. It's real nicely painted under there. The frame's painted, the floorboards are clean. She's ready to go. You can put mirrors underneath this car and show them off to your buddies at the car show. And you better have a nice shelf in your garage for all the trophies you're going to bring home with this beauty. So give Tom a call at 248-974-9513 and he'll tell you all about it. Let's take this 55 for a ride. You want to talk about sweet, black and white, looking gorgeous, driving nice. I tell you what, this thing's ready to go to the ice cream store, the grocery store, the beach, wherever you feel like taking this baby, and to the car show. You're gonna have to collect some ribbons with this dude, man. You want to talk about sweet? This is one sweet little Tri-5 right here. This is the original too, baby, 55. Probably one of the most popular of the Tri-5s. The driving sweet, man. I'll tell you what, absolutely love this car. And we're gonna be able to ship this baby anywhere in the world. You just give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you all about this beautiful ride, man. I tell you what, she is gorgeous. Get around the corner here, we'll take a quick look at the dash. It does have power steering. Working good. You can see that the Speedo, it's all stock here. Speedo's looking good. Looks like it's got an aftermarket wiper switch in it. Car does have air conditioning. We got those extra vents underneath the dash, looking sweet. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we put every car up on the lift so you can check out just how nice the bottom side is. And I tell you what, this is one sweet machine right here, guys. Wait till you see the bottom of it. We are proud of every one of our cars here at Vanguard, so we put them all up on the lift and show you exactly what your dream's gonna look like when we park it back in your driveway. And don't forget, we'd love to have you come down and check it out in person if you've got time. We do sell most of our stuff sight unseen on the internet, but please, if you've got time and means, come on in and see us. If you need to fly in, we're very close to the airport. As a matter of fact, we'll even send somebody down to the airport to pick you up if needed. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see every one of our new vehicles as they come in. And Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So you can call him anytime you'd like. He's always picking that phone up, don't you worry. And if you miss a call from him, he will call you back. We're gonna head back to the shop right now so you can check out the bottom side of this beautiful 55 Chev. Heading back over here to our big shop, the Junction Street shop. This is where we're always talking about, where we store all the vehicles. So stick with us. We're going in the air with this baby right now. All right, we're going to take a look underneath this 55. Just like I told you, she's absolutely beautiful. You can see the chrome looks good. You can see the frame's been painted. And look at that trunk floor on the bottom side. I mean, the bottom side looks as nice as the top side. It is gorgeous. We got a brand new tank, got brand new 2.5-inch exhaust here. We've got the stock rear end here that came in the car, or similar one that would have came in the car. It's got right around the 350 gear, and it is limited slip. You can see brand new U-bolts here. It looks like brand new shocks, brand new brake lines. On the brakes, the guys pull them apart, make sure they're installed correctly and that they work correctly. It looks like those drums are pretty new too. It looks like brand new parking brake cables. I see brand new body mounts. The floorboard on here looks phenomenal. I mean, it is gorgeous. Now the floorboard has got paint with chassis black, so it's a little flatter. The frame has been painted with shiny. I see brand new body bushings there also. Stock appearing mufflers. We got the crossover pipe here. We got the 4-speed automatic trans. Everything under here looking sweet. The torque converter cover's all painted up looking good. It's got a stock starter on it. Looks like brand new cooler lines for the trans. Looks like it's got a lot of new steering parts on it too. We do have disc brakes up front. They painted the springs even, and it looks like most of the stuff that looks like bare metal here has got bare metal paint on it, or at least it's paint that looks like bare metal. I mean, everything under here is looking sweet. I see new bushings in the lower and upper control arms. Looks like we got brand new tires and wheels on here. We got Cragars, and these are 215 65 15s. The hockey sticks I love. The bottom side of the rockers look great. Now on these Tri-5s, you gotta look at these body mounts. Okay, these are all been, everything under here has been replaced. And look at those nice, neat welds they did. These big washers here are for the seat belts. This is especially the one I look at, the one right back there. That's always the first one to go. Now out back, we got a little more rubber on the ground because that's where the horsepower hits the ground. Two 45, 60, 15s on there. And again, Cragars look like they're brand new. Well, we're gonna get under the hood and see what's gonna make these babies put the horsepower to the ground. All right, guys, we're under the hood of this 55 now, and man, it looks sweet under here. Now, I know it's looking kind of stock under here, but it is a 383 stroker. We know it's got an Eagle rotating assembly in it, and we did a little math with the information we have from the previous owner, and we're right around 9.6 to 1 compression, which is great. We got a Edelbrock 4-barrel carb on there. It looks like the electric choke is hooked up. Now, a lot of this AC stuff looks similar to stock, except that pump. Obviously, that pump is late model. Alternator looks like it's a nice rebuilt unit. It's got power brakes on it. You can see again that they put the paint on here to make it look like bare metal. The steering box also. So she is manual steering and it is power brakes. You can see nice paint on the motor. It's got a stock appearing radiator in it also. Nice fan shroud here. It looks like it's got a flex fan on it for keeping it nice and cool. That intake is an Edelbrock intake. They've left the battery in the stock location, which is also cool in my book. The inner fenders here, the firewall, under the hood, everything's painted chassis black, looking sweet. I see brand new bolts, shims, bushings, and everything in the upper control arms. This thing's ready to go, guys. She's a 55, she's black and white, she's got a stroker motor in her, got a 4-speed automatic so you can get up on the highway and drive this baby. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.